Welcome back again to all cloud learners with a new exciting episode of Cloud Computing Certification. Previously, we get detailed concepts about cloud computing industry. Right now, we have another important concept which is known as cloud service model. So when you decide to get the rental services from a cloud computing industry, for that purpose, you can contact any cloud computing vendor. It might be Amazon, Microsoft, Google Cloud, or any other vendor. When you call them, so they will reply you that, sir, we have a number of models related to the cloud computing technology. We are going to send the list of our models. Kindly select your specific model according to your requirements. After that, we will definitely provide our services for your software house or any other organization. So, it might be when you are going to utilize any kind of rental services on cloud computing industry, it might be possible that you only need infrastructure services. And it might be possible that you need only hosting services, or you want to utilize the artificial intelligence services, or you only want to enjoy DevOps development side. So it's up to you. According to your requirement, you just need to select the specific service model from any cloud vendor. So before going to understand in detail cloud service model, just take an example. So, for example, you are going to start your own business, and for that purpose, you need office space. And for this office space requirements, you call any real estate agent and you said that, hello, sir, I need office space near my location. Do you have any availability? So they will reply you, yes, of course. We have a number of office spaces available. I just send you the list and options. And according to your requirement, you can select any one of them, and then we will provide our services to you. So let's take the example, what kind of options they have related to their own services. Here are the list of models. Here you can see that after call, real estate agent send me three options. Number one option is that office space with 1,000 square yard without any furniture, office cabinets, etc. on monthly rental basis. So I reject this option because I know that if I get this space, I need to spend money on furniture, office cabinets, and etc. In second option, he said me that office space 1,000 square yards. Okay, that's good. With all kind of furniture, that's a suitable option. All kinds of furniture, office cabinets, etc. on monthly rental basis. So, you know, when I saw these two options, so the first option I just rejected because it will require more money or more budget. So I select the second option. But when I read the third option, office space 1,000 square yard with all kind of furniture, office cabinets, that's good. Laptops, that's another advantage, etc. on per hour rental basis. That is the right option and more suitable option for me, because I don't need to pay for a monthly basis, because it might be I utilize my office space for only 9 hours, okay, or it might be for 12 hours. So it's more suitable for me to pay for 12 hours rather than to pay on monthly basis. An important thing, laptop is already available, office cabinets, furniture, each and everything. It means that it's a well furnished office ready to use, available for your software house. So I will select the third option because it will save my time, it will save my budget, and it is more convenient for me in all aspects. So in the same manner, when we are going to utilize cloud computing industry, this industry has also number of models, and according to our requirements, we need to select any one of them. So let's go and explore options related to the cloud service. Let me remove all this stuff, and then we will move further. Here you can see that cloud service models. First option we have already rejected, which is known as on-premises. Here you can see that. I just want to highlight it for you. Here you can see that. On premises, I already rejected this option because previously I discussed that I don't want to buy any kind of infrastructure devices. It might be servers, infrastructure devices, networking devices, security devices. So it's a traditional infrastructure which I have already decided that I will not go with this option. Now, other three options available with cloud service model. First model is very simple. It's called infrastructure as a service. Okay. In this model, what kind of services cloud service model will provide me? Number one, it will provide me all kind of infrastructure related to the networking. That's good thing. And all kind of storage infrastructure. Number three, all kind of servers will be available for me. And fourth and most important option, virtualization is already implemented, so I can create my own virtual machines. In the first model of the cloud industry, we have all infrastructure related equipment available, which we can utilize for implementing our own operating systems, Active Directory services, and any other relevant services which I want to deploy in my cloud computing infrastructure. After that, after these four options, it's my responsibility to install all kinds of operating systems, any kind of middleware applications, might be SQL or might be e-commerce or might be web hosting servers, each and everything. You will, it's your responsibility to implement all kind of infrastructure after getting these four options in cloud service model. So that kind of model in which infrastructure is available and you need to deploy operating systems, applications, runtime data, and all kinds of implementation will be your responsibility. That kind of infrastructure is called infrastructure as a service. So if this option is more suitable for you, you can utilize it. Okay. The second option is called platform as a service. This model is more beneficial than the first one. In this option, all infrastructure related resources will be available, including operating system. Any kind of middleware or runtime applications will be already available to you. You just need to put your data on cloud for testing purpose or for any analysis or any other kind of task. So in second option, service ready infrastructure will be available for you. You don't need to spend time on installing operating systems, applications, and other kind of stuff in this kind of model. So if this kind of model is more suitable for you, so you can utilize platform as a service from cloud service model. We can take the example of platform as a service. Let's see. You have a number of SQL databases, and you just want to host your SQL databases on cloud computing infrastructure. So for that purpose, you just need to put your SQL databases on Microsoft Azure or Amazon or Google, and all the infrastructure will be already implemented over there. You just need to put your own databases over there and enjoy your databases infrastructure for your own company. And it might be it is possible that you have any you develop any kind of game, and you just want to test your gaming features. So for that purpose, you request to the Microsoft that I need that kind of infrastructure. They will provide all kind of infrastructure related resources, and then install all kinds of operating systems and application, and you just need to test your own gaming features over there. So that kind of model is called platform as a service. Third model is also available if you want to get the benefit from a cloud computing infrastructure. This model is called SaaS, software as a service. In this kind of model, each and everything is available on the cloud. You just need to request to the Microsoft that I need this service, I need this software. This specific software will be provided to you, and you will be totally utilizing the specific application or specific software, and it will be the responsibility of the Microsoft that manage all kind of hardware resources, operating system, application. Each and everything will be the responsibility of the Microsoft. You are the end user and just utilizing the cloud services and enjoying the benefits of this industry. And if you want to take the example of software as a service, so Sky for Business is the best example for software as a service. You just call to the Microsoft and said that, hey, I need a communication application which installed on my laptops and my employees or my colleagues cell phones, so they can coordinate, communicate, and conduct a number of meetings for their business purposes. So Microsoft will allow you to register yourself for on Sky for Business, and after your organization registration, you can utilize Sky for Business for all kinds of communication. The second example related to the software as a service is Office 365. You don't want to install any kind of Office applications on your laptops or on your desktop machines or mobile phones. Office 365 is available online on their web portal. So you can utilize all kinds of Office applications from Office 365. So these three models available on all cloud vendors. You can avail these three service models from Amazon, from Google Cloud, from Azure, from Rackspace, or any other vendor. So it's up to you. Now when you understand infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, so being as a cloud professional, now it's your responsibility what kind of infrastructure you are going to propose for your client, for your customer, or for your own business. So I hope that you get the basic concepts in detail about cloud service models. So let's go for further episodes and learn more technical skills and hands-on labs related to the cloud computing industry.